Hello, we are back in YouTube channel Trapo Malaysia. So hari ni dia nak cerita tentang satu benda, satu kereta ni yang menjadi idola kepada wanita di Malaysia. Apa lagi kalau bukan Honda? So kita ada Honda City yang paling baru, facelift 2023 Honda City. Alright, today we're going to talk about Carmet. This is some of the things that I think Honda can do it even better, which is the floorboard. There is one eyelet lock. That lock, kalau you pusing, kalau you pergi cuci kereta, dia lupa pusing, dia tarik, the whole thing will be unclipped and it's forever. You cannot fix it. It's very hard for you to fix it. I have one customer that drove FK8R, the ultimate of abang-abang Honda, which is Honda Civic Type R. So he got the car for 3 days. He sent the car to car wash by abang-abang Bangla. The abang Bangla forgot to unclip. He pulled the car mat, very lightly pull, and the whole clip gone. So therefore, what do you need? You need to have a carpet that you do not need to use the lock. We have this very powerful Trapo Hex, so you don't have to use the lock. You just put it there. You don't have to lock it, so you don't have to worry that the abang cuci kereta will help you to pull and the whole thing damage. So you can look at the car mat. It's how dirty it is when it comes to original car mat. Right, very dirty, very dusty, this and that. Overall, the cutting was good. Just that certain place around the edges it doesn't cover. So what happens is that Lim will do by my own. I'll do the vacuum by myself and I'll do the installation. Right. So after installation again, then we'll show you how does it looks like. So Lim akan buat vacuum jap. Alright, so kalau bila kita sebut Honda, memang taklah kalau tak pilih warna merah, betul tak? Bila nampak merah, kita nampak Honda. Fuyo. Tengok kita punya kamet, kita tak lock yang ni, kita tak lock. Kita jangan lock sebab benda ni kalau lock, sekarang abang-abang yang cuci kereta dia tak nampak, dia pergi tarik, memang habis. Untuk Honda City, kita buat lain sikit cutting dia. Kita ukur dengan footrest sekali kita tambah. Kalau kereta yang boleh tambah footrest, kita akan tambah footrest. Tapi nampak cantik. Alright, so untuk belakang, for the back, we basically follow the original because the original cover, we think it's quite enough lah. Honda City have this very uneven floor, especially at the back. I'll remove one of the carpet over that side, so you can see the flooring is very uneven. It's like wavy, very wavy. You can see how the shape it is. You see how uneven the floorboard is, like slope up. And then here is like a pond. You can have your fish here, right? So the side have a wall go up. So all this lah. But with Trapo Carmet, you don't have to worry. You just have to put it on. It will not move. It will not move no matter what, right? So the middle hump over here. So this piece basically have this wire inside to make sure you hold on to the position, right? So you just have to know where is the position. You just place like this. Look at the position and you place like this. And then you take it out. You take it out and you bend the wire inside. You just have to bend the wire inside and then you put it back. Ta-da! It's all fit very nicely, right? It fit very nice on your floor. It will not move. So this is how Honda City looks like. So Hex comes with 5 years warranty. Hex Ultimate comes with a lifetime warranty. Some will ask, why do I need a lifetime warranty? So if you drive your car more than 10 years or more than 7 years, you can actually opt in for lifetime warranty version, which is Hex Ultimate. You don't have to worry about your car mat for that long. As long as you're still driving, your car mat still got warranty. We are going to throw in a promo. Right, for this promo, if you are the first 2 person to show this video to any of our shop, our 11 hubs in Malaysia, Glen Marie, I'm now in Glen Marie, Cheras, Balakong, Wang Utama, Bangsar, Desa Park, Mid Valley, KL, Mid Valley, Johor, Malacca, Kuching, Penang. Show this video and you enjoy 12% discount on your car mat. Alright, again, if you have any special comment or any special request that you wanted to see, or maybe one day you said, Lim, I have a very unique car very limited. Maybe you are the only owner, but I want to see how you guys custom it. Can you all guys do a documentation of how do you guys do the measurement? Do let us know. We're able to do it as long as you request, we granted it. Alright, so thank you very much. See you in the next episode. Thank you.
Trapo, elevating your driving experience.